Terry with TN Attachments here to introduce you to our latest version of the TNA Mini Grapple. What we have done is we've taken our original Mini Grapple and we have got some feedback from some customers that on the stand-on mini skids, they don't get any curl. What we have done is taken that 90-degree mount plate and we have angled that plate. This allows them to actually roll back the log, carry the load low, in much more safer conditions. Now, as you can see, my load is low, my log's angled back, much safer transport position for those heavier logs.